Check out this 2015 Subaru Impreza 2.0i. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are a 3.70 axle ratio, full-time all-wheel drive, front anti-roll bar, electric power assist speed sensing steering, single stainless steel exhaust, permanent locking hubs, steel spare wheel, clear coat paint, black side windows trim and black front windshield trim and light tinted glass. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.